babies. It's time to show Car City your stunt skills. Baby Amber and Baby Francis, are you ready to perform your stunts? Great. Okay, Baby Amber, you're up first. On your marks, get set, go! Wow, Baby Amber, that was amazing! Okay, Baby Francis, are you ready for your stunt show debut? Okay, take your time and off you go, Baby Francis. Oh no, Francis! We need to get help quick before Baby Francis falls into the water. Baby Francis, can you swim? Good idea, Baby Amber. Let's get Super Truck, fast. Carl, you have to come quick. Baby Francis tried to do a stunt, and now he's in danger of falling in the river. Okay, let's get going. To the cave. Which transformation will help save Baby Francis from falling in the water? That's a great idea, Carl. The hoverboat transformation will be strong enough to catch Baby Francis from below. Okay, Super Truck, let's go rescue Baby Francis from the river. I really hope Baby Francis is still hanging on to that ramp. Let's go, Super Truck. Hold on, Baby Francis. Super Truck is here to save you. Oh no, Super Truck. The ramps are breaking. We need to get Baby Francis out of there now. Okay, Baby Francis. You're going to need to let go of the ramp. It's okay, Baby Francis. Super Truck is right below you. He'll catch you. Baby Francis, we're running out of time. You need to jump. Phew. Baby Francis, are you okay? Thank goodness. And well done, Super Truck. Well done, Baby Francis. You were very brave. I think that's the best stunt Car City has ever seen. Don't you agree, babies? See you next time, everyone. Hi, Chuck. Keeping warm? Uh-oh, the baby's ball is stuck on the roof. Oh, no. That's right, Baby Jerry. We need to call Super Truck to put out this fire.
Oh.
Carl, there's a fire at Chuck's house, and Frank is unavailable. Chuck could really use your help.
Oh. Whoa. Oh. Oh. Oh.
So which vehicle will you transform into?
Oh.
Of course, a super fire truck.
Whoa. Oh.
Wow, you're a fire truck. Let's go put out that fire.
Oh. Oh. Oh.
Yes, thanks, Super Truck. It's a big fire. The fire is spreading.
Oh. Oh.
Wow.
Oh.
That was awesome. Thanks, Super Truck. Bye, everyone. See you next time. Ooh, the parade for the car patrol is today.
Yay! Baru?
Congratulations, guys. You deserve it. Ah, you've got a surprise. Let's see. Oh, no. It's supposed to shoot confetti? Good idea, Carlo. Super Truck will know what to do. I hope he sees the signal. Sorry to interrupt your breakfast, Carl. Denver's confetti cannon is clogged, and it's ruined the ceremony honoring the car patrol. Can you help? Which vehicle will you pick this time? You're a plane. Very cool. But how will that help the car patrol? We'll see. Okay. Nice takeoff. So you've got a plan to save the ceremony? There it is, Super Truck. Wow! Look at all that confetti! Nice one, Super Truck. You're quite talented. Aw, your very own medal. You deserve it, Super Truck. Bye, friends. See you soon. Hey, Tom and baby Tom. Oh no, Tom. You're covered in mud. Tom says he needs to wash off the mud, but he is too far from his garage. Great idea, baby Tom. Super Truck will be able to help.
Oh. Oh. Whoa. Oh.
Hey, Carl. Tom drove through a muddy puddle and is covered in mud.
Uh-oh.
Can you help?
Whoa.
What will you transform into to help Tom?
Oh.
A water slide truck. That's a great idea. Let's go.
Oh.
Here's Super Truck. He's here to clean you up. Does that water feel nice? You look much better, Tom. But your wheels are still muddy. You need to use the water slide. Ready for the slide, Tom? Don't worry, Tom. Baby Tom will show you how it's done. Wow, Super Truck, you thought of everything.
Hey.
See that, Tom? That looked like fun. Your turn now, Tom. Well done, Tom. Your wheels are all clean. I think Baby Tom wants another go.
Hey.
See you later, guys.
Oh.